Did the Intel delay just kill Pataskala's housing boom? Did the massive Intel delay just ruin Pataskala's real estate market? If you own a home here, you need to hear this before you panic. You have probably seen the headlines. Intel recently announced they are adjusting the timeline for their new Albany megasite. While construction is still planned to happen and the buildings are going vertical, the timeline for the first factory to open and bring in thousands of workers has been pushed back to 2030. Here is why this delay is actually a hidden opportunity for Pataskala. Instead of an overnight housing shortage and immediate bidding wars, we now have a 4 to 5 year runway. The city is still building out the infrastructure to handle the eventual growth, meaning Pataskala remains squarely in the prime Intel corridor without the immediate inventory panic. My take, if you are a buyer, this delay is your best friend. It gives you time to get into Pataskala at today's prices before the 2030 workforce actually arrives and spikes demand. If you are a seller, your long-term equity is still planning to grow, but always depends on the market. If you are ready to sell or buy in the Central Ohio area, let's connect. Visit my website lonnieestep.com.